apparently Beatrice is left for India.
What are you talking about? Dearest Ryan and Eve, I hate to leave, but time is of the essence. Therefore, excuse my absence and imagine I'm there with you now as I excitedly tell you that I'm about to embark on a voyage to India. This could be an incredible opportunity. Oh, and I really want to ride an elephant like a princess. Wish me luck, ladies. Namaste, B. Did she just Irish exit our apartment?
No, I think they call it an Indian exit. But, you know, we really should support her dream of becoming an elephant princess.
Yeah, that's true. Hope she's happy. We'll miss her. Maybe she'll meet a tall, dark stranger.
A tall, dark stranger in India? I think her odds are pretty good, Eve.
I'm feeling too much right now. I need to eat something.
The red wine sugar.
Oh, really great.
When you get a chance, could you unload the dishwasher?
Sure.
Nice. India? Do you maybe want a clean bowl and or spoon?
Oh, no, thanks. I'm fine. You can taste the honey nut infusion much better this way.
Oh. Okay.
Ryan, could you please not use the disposal right now? Winter is coming.
Oh, I'm so sorry. You're right. I wouldn't want to be inconsiderate. I wouldn't want to disregard your feelings as my roommate.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Am I being too subtle? I don't think it's too much to ask her to pause Game of Thrones just to put away a few cereal bowls. It's just like Lost. They all end up dead in the end anyways. Hey, Mom. It's normal for roommates to split household chores, right? Yeah. Hey, Dad. Yes, I asked nicely. No, I don't need money for groceries. $50 would, yeah, that would help. I love you too. Aunt Susu, would it be rude if I just put the rest of the dirty dishes in her bed? Hey, Teddy, it's Ryan. Avalon, your roommate from college? Yeah. Yeah, well, when we lived together, we always took turns washing the dishes, right? I didn't? Really? Hey, Psychic Sally, is transference real? Because I feel like my roommate Eve is becoming my roommate Beatrice. Hey!
Hey.
Did you get yourself into a sticky situation, Eve?
Yes, and it's the third time this month.
At least you're cleaning something.
Huh?
I'm off to bed.
Ryan, are you okay?
Yeah. Dandy as candy.
Okay. Good night.
Good night.
Seriously, I don't know where this gum came from.
This is the best gum I have ever had. Seriously, this watermelon flavor is helping to relieve my tension. Game of Thrones is really racking my nerves right now. I mean, every character I love gets killed, and not just killed, but brutally murdered. Dead, dead, dead. Not that I even care about dead. And don't even get me started on they're all dead. Dead, 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 dead. And something's really off with Ryan lately. I wonder what's wrong.
saw my sign. Thank you so much for finally doing that.
I just thought it was so beautiful, but it was lacking some flair.
Huh?
What do you think?
You're right. The stickers are just what I wanted. Damn it. The honey nut infusion does stand out better this way. Shit. India?